Blonde ambition in the garden, the allure of Bouteloua Gracilis blonde ambition. For those seeking a low-maintenance ornamental grass with year-round interest, Bouteloua Gracilis blonde ambition might just be the answer. This captivating native grass, also known as blue grama blonde ambition, strikes a balance between elegance and resilience, making it a perfect addition to a variety of landscapes. Over the past few years, blonde ambition has become a favorite among gardeners for its unique aesthetic and ease of care. But before you rush out and add it to your own plot, there are a few things to consider. Let's delve deeper into the world of Bouteloua Gracilis blonde ambition. What is Bouteloua Gracilis blonde ambition? Bouteloua gracilis, commonly referred to as blue grama, is a warm-season grass native to North America. Blonde ambition is a captivating cultivar known for its stunning blonde seed heads that emerge chartreuse in summer and transform into a dazzling display of golden hues as fall approaches. The slender, blue-green foliage forms a dense clump, reaching a mature height of 2 to 3 feet. The true stars of the show, however, are the inflorescences. These horizontal, one-sided clusters of tiny flowers resemble miniature flags, adding a touch of whimsy and texture to the garden. How to care for Bouteloua Gracilis blonde ambition? The beauty of Bouteloua Gracilis blonde ambition lies in its low-maintenance nature. Here's what you need to know to keep this ornamental grass thriving. Light, blonde ambition flourishes in full sun, receiving at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil, this adaptable grass thrives in well-drained soil, tolerating a range from average to dry conditions. Watering, once established, blonde ambition is quite drought-tolerant. Water deeply when the top 2 to 3 inches of soil feel dry to the touch, allowing the soil to dry completely between waterings. Fertilization, while not necessary for healthy growth, a light application of slow-release fertilizer in early spring can provide a slight boost. Pruning, to encourage new growth and maintain a tidy appearance, cut back the foliage to ground level in late winter or early spring before new growth emerges. How to propagate Bouteloua Gracilis blonde ambition? There are 2 primary methods for propagating Bouteloua Gracilis blonde ambition: division and seed. Division, the simplest method is division. In early spring or fall, carefully dig up a mature clump and use a sharp knife to divide it into several smaller sections, ensuring each section has healthy roots and foliage. Replant the divisions in their designated spots, water them thoroughly, and keep the soil moist until established. Seed, propagation by seed requires a bit more patience. Collect seeds in late summer or fall when they turn golden brown. Sow the seeds directly into prepared soil in the fall or early spring. Keep the soil consistently moist until germination occurs, which can take several weeks. What to plant with Bouteloua Gracilis blonde ambition? The versatility of Bouteloua Gracilis blonde ambition makes it a great companion plant for a variety of garden styles. Here are some ideas for creating stunning combinations. Low-water gardens, pair blonde ambition with other drought-tolerant plants like ornamental alliums, sedum varieties, and yarrow for a water-wise and visually appealing display. Butterfly gardens, the delicate flowers of blonde ambition attract butterflies, making it a valuable addition to a butterfly haven. Consider planting it alongside butterfly favorites like butterfly weed, coneflowers, and zinnias. Prairie-style gardens, recreate the natural beauty of North American prairies by incorporating blonde ambition with other native plants like black-eyed Susans, little bluestem, and switchgrass. Container gardens, blonde ambition can also thrive in containers, adding a touch of texture and movement to patios and balconies. Choose a well-draining pot and provide adequate sunlight. Is Bouteloua Gracilis blonde ambition? While Bouteloua Gracilis is native to North America, the cultivar blonde ambition is a selected variety. It's generally not considered invasive in most regions. However, it's always a good practice to check with local authorities regarding any potential invasiveness concerns specific to your area. With its captivating good looks and easygoing nature, Bouteloua Gracilis blonde ambition is a surefire winner for gardeners seeking low-maintenance beauty. So, if you're looking for a touch of elegance and year-round interest in your garden, consider giving blonde ambition a try.